Today I'm sharing with you guys how to make the easiest laundry detergent without all of the chemicals and without all the nasty things that we're all trying to avoid these days. You're going to start with adding 4 cups of water into a pot on your stove and bringing that up to a boil. Once that gets hot enough where it's starting to boil, you're going to start slowly adding in half a cup of washing soda. I have a video that I can link down below on how to make washing soda. Do not purchase it. It's the easiest thing to make, and you can make it in bulk and store it for all sorts of different cleaning products that you can make. I'll link that video down below, but we're going to add half a cup of washing soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. I added all of that into my one measuring cup there, and just dumped it all in at the same time, slowly and surely. Once that comes to a boil and everything is dissolved, I poured that right into the jars that I used to store my laundry detergent in, and we're going to allow that to cool. I allowed that to cool for about 30 or 40 minutes. And next, we're adding in 12 cups of water. I'm doing a double batch here because you're going to see here in a second I'm making an unscented laundry detergent and a lavender scented laundry detergent. So I'm adding in 12 cups of water for each individual batch that I'm doing here. Then you're going to add in 1 cup of your Castile soap of choice. This is my unscented stuff. I can link this down below for you guys. I ordered this off of Walmart, but it's also on Amazon, and they're the exact same price. So it doesn't matter where you want to get it. And then in my other one, I'm adding in a cup of lavender scented Castile soap. I got that from Amazon. They also sell at Walmart. Once again, prices are comparable. I'll have it linked down below for you guys if you're interested. I'm going ahead and stirring in that 1 cup of Castile soap. Because I'm making 2 different batches here, I'm making sure I'm mixing my unscented first and then going in and mixing my lavender scented. That way I'm not contaminating my non-scented into lavender laundry detergent. But that's it. It is super easy. It takes probably 10 minutes of your total physical concentration and time. And this here will last my family of 6 about 2 to 3 months. So this doesn't take a lot of time. Put it up on by your washer and dryer and use half a cup or so per load. And it's really that easy. You'll never want to buy laundry detergent ever again.